Alright, this is going to be part 2 of the fubar potentiometer, and here's the one I took out. You look for one of these, there's your part number RA25Y208 or 20S 500 ohm. Anyway, I've replaced it. I've already cycled it all the way to the end. You can see I'm at 36 and then 461. I don't want to go too far. Some of these, they don't have stops in them, so, or they have stops in them and you'll tear the gear up, which is right there. I've already replaced it. Now my home meter is going to go to sleep, so I better reset it. Anyway, let's go through everything. The 36 is going to be climbing and the 461 is going to be dropping. So here we go. Oh, slid off my terminal. As you can see, everything's nice and smooth now compared to the other video, which is still preparing. I don't know what happened there. Maybe something wrong with YouTube right now. Okay, we just passed the halfway point. I'm gonna run this all the way up until that 200 drops down to about 30. And then I'll reverse my leads and center it up. If that other video uploads that I showed with the fubar potentiometer, you'll see just what it does. Okay. That's close enough right there. Now reverse the leads and I'll power the motor the other way. Okay, here we go. What we're striving for here is both ohm meters to read the same ohms. I guess I got too much light in here. I can't make it so that you don't see an image of my lights. Anyway, 340, 165. Okay, we're getting close. 152 and 48. 151 and 49. 149.4, 149.6. Okay, that's the potentiometer is centered. Close enough. Are the kind of girls I go out with. Now I'll lube this up, put my balls in, and then I've already got the housing marked. Seeing as how the lever is over here, so the halfway point is going to be right there. And I'll grease up my gear in here. But I'll put this top housing on. You can see there's the tab that hits the end of rotation tab. And that will go, I've already got it marked. We'll go just like that when I have all the ball bearings in it. Then I'll flip it over and put the other balls in it, put the retainer on, and give it a shot. Anyway, I'm going to see if I can get the first part loaded up and put on YouTube. And you watch the first part, you'll see just how fubar that potentiometer was on the two multimeters. And then you'll see this one and see just how much better it is with a new potentiometer. Anyway, another fine video by Rotors by Scott. There's all my information right there. Phone number is at the bottom. Email slingslingbinks@msn. There's my mailing address. You want to come by and egg my house, I don't care. I wear big boy pants. I ain't afraid of no ghost. Anyway, that's all for this one. Here's 6 minutes later.